Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I got one commission work of one of my student, Nandini Chatterjee, and I love to draw her face on the paper, and it's a very tough challenge for me whether I can be successful or not. So let's see how we can draw her face. While I'm sketching, I will also give you some steps so that you can also try to draw a portrait of your near and dear ones, or you may get some commission works too. So let's see how I have done it, okay, step by step. So first of all, I have started with grid method, and for that I already have done the grid on the paper, as well as I have drawn the grid on the printout of the portrait photo. Okay, start with the outline first. For drawing outline, you will have to have perfect eye measurement. If you want to know how to get the eye measurement technique, you may comment me. I will tell you that how to measure by only seeing through your eyes. Okay, it is nothing but the practice of years. First of all, you may not get the proper ratio or proper outline, but while you will do practice of 100 or 200 portraits, you will get the concept that how to draw and get the measurement with bare eyes. Okay, after finishing the outline, I have started with the base layer, and for base layer I have used HB pencil. So first of all, you should give one light layer which is called the base layer. Then you will get the concept of values, dark values and the light values. Light means where much amount of light is there, and dark value means where the shade is there. Okay, so here you can see I have used the first layer, and then I have started with the second layer with 4B pencils, and the third layer will be with the 8B pencils, and the darkest area there I have used 10B pencils. But switching among the pencils, you must blend it properly, and for blending purpose I have used some cotton buds. It is a very good tool for blending the strokes of the pencils. Okay, once you are satisfied with the blending, then you can go for the next layer and you can switch the pencils. See, I have used two types of HB, two types of 8B pencils and two types of 10B pencils. On my upcoming videos I will let you know what are the difference between these HB pencils or 8B pencils. Okay, and if you want any other particular tutorial of any face part, like only eyes, or how to draw nose, how to draw lips, and like that, then you can comment me. I will try to solve it. Okay, if any suggestion is there for me, then it is also accepted. Please provide me suggestions. Okay, if you have any request that any particular person's portrait I should draw, then that is also most pleasantly acceptable through your comments. Okay, so I'm eagerly waiting for your comments, and you can subscribe my channel for upcoming videos. And if it is already subscribed, then press the bell button, then you will get the notification while I will put my new videos. And if all things are done, then no need to worry about, you will get the videos timely. Okay, right now I am a little bit of busy with my personal works, that's why the frequency of uploading video a little bit reduced, but hope I will be free enough near future, and that time I will give more amount of pictures. Right now I am doing only pencil shadings because it is taking very less time, but actually I used to do murals on walls. So murals on walls will take 2 to 3 or 4 or 5 days, and these are the pictures and paintings of 6 feet by 6 feet or 6 feet by 12 feet area. You might have watched my full home is filled with murals. If you want to see them, then you comment me. I will definitely make one video, and there I will show you what are the murals are present at my home sweet home. See, for the dress I have given a base layer with HB pencils, cause dress is very dark and no need to go through the full process like starting with 2B, then 4B, then 6B, then 8B, as it has a dark value. So I have judged and directly I have applied 8B pencil strokes, and then I have blended it. After blending, I have used 10B directly, because all the decorations and all the small parts and designs are there. These are directly done by 10B pencils, and that strokes gives a wonderful work. And one thing I'll have to appreciate, that this photograph is very effective one, and I just mesmerized with the photograph, because it has taken so casually, but it came out with so much professional look. Really, I appreciate this portrait. If you have any particular choice like watercolor choice or pencil shading choice or wall painting with acrylic or wall painting with enamel colors, then just comment me. If you want to see any tutorial or any just time-lapse video on any particular medium, then you can comment me. I will try to make videos, and I will love to make videos on them. See, I will suggest you one thing, that while you are sitting idle or watching TV or reading any book or something, keep one pencil and paper on your hand, or reach up your hand so that you can give some strokes, little bit of strokes, and you can easily draw some little flowers or leaves and flowers or vase or other things like fishes or birds or chair or one room or something like that. You can easily draw them, and it will increase your creativity. See, for the background I have directly used 4B pencils as the base layer, and after that I have used 8B pencils, and then I gave some eraser strokes, and after that I have given some pencil lines to show the hair lines, and then I have used directly the 10B pencils, so that the darkest value I should get. And for eyes and eye lights I have used the acrylic painting little bit, and for earrings too, cause it was on the shading, we can't reach the proper value with it. Okay, so this is the final look. I hope you have enjoyed my video. Thank you so much for watching. If you really like this video, then give a like and share. And if you want to get the portrait of your near and dear ones, then let me know. I will try to draw them. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice time. Bye.